Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling. Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
How's it? What's happening?
Not much, how's it?
Good, man. Thumbs Waiko on the line. I'm
Okay.
looking to speak to Talita Nolofe Fendima.
She didn't come to work today.
Maybe I can talk to Ufish.
I guess. She hasn't been here for the past 37 years.
37 years.
Yeah.
Ufish, what in Wemganin
37 years ago.
when you turned 4?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Why would you put all my business in the
I
streets?
mean, I love that name for you.
Why?
Imandi. I can't come you Mazi. It's so unique. Very unique. You understand?
Malun man bagayesu. Hope you guys are all right this
How's it, guys?
morning, afternoon, and
Yeah.
night that you are watching us.
Mm.
And if you're new here, welcome. And if you don't know, this is a show that's all about you, and we read your comments and we comment on them too.
Absolutely. Episode 82 reactions.
Yeah.
Yeah, episode 82 reactions. Where, as Talita just so beautifully put it, we respond and we react to some of your comments. So, okay. Show yenu lena bazalwane, and as a result, asobuzana noba sinjani. So I'm gonna straight P.
Emxholweni.
Oh, that what bling line. Emxholweni. That should be what the heading is. I love how this thing just grows. Like,
just evolves into its own little piece. So if you guys remember, on the closeness of it all, on episode 82, we had the saying imbo yo ithingenen ungalahli imbo yakho uphoyane, right?
Yes.
And we were trying to figure out what it means, but we didn't know what two of the very important words in the saying actually meant.
Yeah.
And lucky for us, Nikona Nina, and you guys let us know. Utu sive tutu, don't throw away your precious stones for something worthless. Imbo is a precious stone or something of value. Not imbo nezi imbo, plural tamzupela. Yeah, we got that part.
Come on, guys, but you can't blame me though.
No, you tried also. There was someone who was like, oh, I'm so disappointed in you guys. I didn't know. All Xhosa people know this. And I was like, well, worse things have happened in the world. It's chilled vibes. So, no ati uthi ukulahla imbo ngephoyane means ukushiya into okanye umntu wakho omthembileyo nxa yento entsha. Imbo yile kudala unayo, uphila nayo. Uphoyane is just something new and engena straight. Uyazilaba Poyana straight. I feel like Poyana is catching strays in this situation. Because Poyana, just because you knew doesn't mean I'm not straight.
Where?
Yeah.
Yeah, read this third one.
The third one, Ukhila Omhle says, ungalahli imbo yakho ngepoyane. Oh no, I have her full one. Let's not
Okay,
read it
cool.
right now.
Okay, cool. Yeah, man, look, I mean, for me, it caused a lot of discourse.
Hello.
Back and forth. I mean, back and forth. But for me, it caused a lot of chatter in terms of like, I read a lot of the explanations, but a lot of the explanations for me were like not Indo Echazayo generally. Do you know what I mean? Like a lot of it was umntu wakho omthembileyo ngenxa yento entsha. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, because that's quite specific.
Yeah, it being like on a broad generic sense. Do you know what I mean? Which I found a little bit difficult.
Why?
Especially because it wasn't a matter of imbo yilendo, upoyane yilendo.
Imbo, a precious stone.
You see, then someone else is going to say methods that you were using growing up. Do you know what I mean? Someone is going to say, you understand?
Yeah.
It's so that the
interpretation.
Yes, but kahle, what is it? Omnye uzawuthi it's traditions.
Omnye uzothi imvelaphi yakho.
There
Yeah.
we go. I understand.
Yeah.
So I found it a bit challenging, but I think I got the overall
Gist.
gist of it. Ba itini londo leyo. Ba superb.
That's so good. That's perfect. Papa. Upapelani. Also asking someone who papelani, you're like, no one's got the answer to that question. All right, let's go.
100%. Unelisa Nsangani 9068 uti the twitching eye means not deep enough.
Not enough.
Whoa! Clearly, I'm suffering from that because I can't even string together a sentence. Twitching eye means not enough deep sleep, probably caused by anxiety or too much work. Tikubali sele ke update ke Nelisa.
Yes.
Is that my eye is twitching, still twitching.
But it
Till
wasn't this
today.
eye.
Yeah, it's this one. It's still twitching till today. Dinenye twitch elapa. Dinenye twitch elapa emva kwedolo. I've got 3 twitches.
Yeah, Pel.
I am twitching like nobody's business.
DJ switch.
So I don't know. In the lala also.
And this is the thing, you don't struggle to sleep.
I ain't seen nobody that I ain't not seen in a while. I ain't sat somewhere that I never sat in 3 twitches. But the constant ones, I haven't been brave enough though to Google it.
Kondo phone muscle twitching, go stress.
Ne?
Yeah, so I'm pale.
Yeah. But yes, iyavakala ke Nelisa. And I guess
Maybe you're not. I mean, you can sleep and not have deep sleep, hey?
Maybe I must just sleep with my watch on because apparently
It can tell what your REMs are looking like.
Thank you for that.
I am Simi, says Sister Talita. Thank you so much for allowing me to send something through you for your brother. Your consistent support for him doesn't go unnoticed. It's deeply admirable and beautiful to see and witness. Lol. Dithembe wena njengosisi omdala ubane uyikroba uyinkcenkceshela. Ndikakuthenjwa. Butsuko, your response to the gift absolutely made my day. Seeing you, someone who always has something to say, completely speechless, wild. My heart is genuinely happy that it made you happy. That joy you felt, I felt it too.
100%.
You did the most, Simi, bro. I feel like people also like saying they're crying. And I'm like, why are people crying?
Who is crying? You are. You didn't land. But not before we get into that. Yeah, thank you so much, Simi. I really appreciate it. And also, I think I really appreciated how people appreciated that on the comments as well. Because like, there were so many comments of being like, oh, Simi Sana, oh, Simela, oh, Simi, that's so wonderful. Yeah. Oh, you know? So, yeah, man, guys, man. Yeah, I think I'm not just, yeah. I'm still there, but speechless. Thanks.
No, it was super sweet. And thank you, Simi, once again for such a sweet gesture. And even if you want to I want to show me. I couldn't find the comment though. Someone was like, but it was at the time when I was just going through the comments, like I wasn't engaging. And so I was like, I'll come back. And then I couldn't find it.
No,
me, but just get into any of our DMs. Paku Instagram, okanye Paku TikTok. It's now no Facebook. Facebook's now. Facebook now with DM. Oh, yes.
Not DM, but it runs off my personal Facebook.
Oh.
It runs off my personal Facebook.
Oh, okay.
Sibling Thrive.
Oh.
And guess the result, I don't post anything of my personal life there. Now it's just a Sibling Thrive.
Yeah, also, but like, do you want to post on Facebook?
Yes.
Full post on
my life.
Really?
I'm not in a Facebook. Facebook. Really? I arguably spend more time on Facebook than any other app.
What?
Absolutely. Kumandi pakyanqokolo ka Facebook phone kuyathethwa. Hayi lento bawubuka ipicture kuhlekwa ha. Facebook yanqokolo phone in comments. Wenza kuyaqhubekeka la bakuthethwa ngantoni.
I haven't had Facebook. fucking
Oh, dog.
over 5 years,
Facebook
easily.
is where it's at, bro. That's
So
where
Facebook.
that's where the real people are.
Okay, sure. Sounds like an old age home.
Absolutely. At KM dash T4I, yo guys, now I feel like my fear of failure is holding me back from so many things. It is. If I've calculated it in my mind and I can fail, masiyeke, because there's an audience in my head that I don't want to be embarrassed kuyo. So I would rather get rid of the failure because that will help me achieve my goals. Wait, so the last part of the sentence is, I would rather get rid of the failure.
What does that mean?
Is that get rid of the
It's not the thought of
the
failure.
fear of failure?
Yes, because then that will help me achieve my goals. Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, so I don't understand what that means. Does that mean I would rather did he get rid of the thought of failing than dingenzi?
No,
because
get rid of the thought of failure so that ndiyenze.
Okay.
Yes, because what she's saying is, uyayicinga ba yo, if ndingafailisha,
yeah,
it would be like this, and then that stops her from doing anything.
Okay.
So she's saying she'd rather
get rid of that thought.
Yeah. Because then that will help achieve your goals.
Fair.
Yeah.
Fair game. I think you've got it spot on. And I think this was linked to London in Detail, where you can't fail at something
yourself.
that has never been done before, which is being yourself. Absolutely. And the audience also, man, the audience doesn't really care.
La audience in your head.
Nobody happy audience.
Guys, abantu bajonga into zabo.
Yeah. People have got their own problems and their own things that they are non-seeking. And sure, some will remember and they'll think about it. But that like doesn't make a difference to anything. Or it shouldn't, rather. Let me put it like that.
Because not to the entirety of your life. No.
For sure.
I wonder velaphi le nto yoba sijonga abantu kokoko uba abantu bazothini. Because I was thinking about it the other day and I was like, does it affect us the same way affect belungu?
Yeah. So I think it's very much a human thing.
Really?
I think it's very much a human thing. And a thing of, but to your point, I guess, maybe there might be a slight, but people care about what people think and say. You understand? People care.
Yes, generally, yes.
It's a general thing.
It just feels to me like black people care more.
Problem here to Tina, I feel like we're a bit more on the sheep mindset vibe.
But also just in terms of community, Tina, we also have like the way we view community or handle it, or the way we experience it is way more of your communities in your life. Abantu amhlophe bayakwazi uzi-isolate.
Yeah, 100%. But
so then it means a little less.
Yes.
Generally.
And isolate. It's the fact of I don't care about bacinga non-legends, but way in the first place. Which is why in the first place. Who's temper that removes you from that situation of I wonder Bamba who's temper? It's knowing that who I am, how I've been created, what's been put inside me, I feel like a lot of the time I see temper. That's why we go so much on ndoni ucinga ndoni umuntu ubani, what do you think, what because we just don't rate ourselves, bro.
Yeah, because if you rated yourself, you do whatever you want.
Correct. So I think it's a rating thing more than anything else. Rater and being taught and being maybe kuliswa in a way that says rate yourself. Because rate. Better go. Ufuna uthini, ufuna ukwenza lento. So I think it's very much a mindset thing. But it
also comes from a deep line of like excuse me. I'm sure at some point there was a good part to that saying that kind of held you accountable in the community?
But
that
what
tells you-
coming in June?
Wait, you know what I'm saying?
And like a lot of things,
Yes, but then it became very different because then whether you're doing something positive or negative,
Yes.
then it's used in the same space.
Yeah.
But I can imagine like 50 years ago when people were saying about bazotini, it was because of negativity, of negative behavior. But why are you doing that? Bantu bazotini.
Yeah.
Not ba
You're breaking a mold.
you're breaking a mold. Abantu bazotini azange
Yeah.
siyibone thina lento kuzothiwani.
It's such a dangerous thing.
Mm.
It's such a dangerous thing, which I suppose Genyange, to your point, is that when used in the wrong context, anything can be dangerous. So yeah, man. Guys, man, failure is nothing, man, guys, man. Yeah, failure is nothing, man. Yeah, failure is impossible, man.
But also just think of the last time you failed and how you never think of it anymore.
Exactly.
And how far you've moved from it.
I mean, I'm tempted to even go to Comrades. I failed at finishing Comrades. Did I feel like I failed at anything? No. Are you mad? Are you joking? You want to call my biggest victory for the whole year a failure?
Yeah, true.
Is that a joke?
Yeah,
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, sure.
So really, I think it's about how we need to frame these things on a personal level and not on a community level.
For sure.
And we need to frame all of these things on a personal level. That's what we need to do.
Sure.
And in that sense, you definitely cannot fail because the only reference that you'll have is it better than the last time
Yeah. That I did it.
that I did it?
Yeah.
Sixelele ngodaleta funa bathakathayo nendoni. Sixelele about you.
I don't like being part of that example.
Sorry.
All right, so here's the explanation that I wanted to use initially. Ukhela omhle uthi ungalahli imbo yakho ngophoyane liqhalo. Imbo lilitye elixabisekileyo elifana negolide elalihomba amamfengu.
Omthina wedini.
Sithi abo ke simahomba. Uphoyane yena yinto engenamsebenzi, engenaxabiso, imfeketho, into yokudlula, isihombiso nje, plastic from a China mall. Kuyenzeka maxa wambi umuntu akhohliseke ngulophoyane. Xa eliqhala lithethwa lonke lithi ungalahli imbo yakho ngophoyane kuba uphoyana uyemka ngomso. Oh, there's a actual finishing part. Oko kukuthi ke ungalahli umhlobo wakho ngomuntu ongenakumthemba okanye ongamazi kakuhle okanye into exabisekileyo ngento engenamsebenzi. And I think that's the meaning. Into exabisekileyo ngento engenamsebenzi.
Fandini. Okay. Yeah.
Umzekelo uyinto na ke namhla, uyintoni na ke namhla umuntu ontsundu emva kokulahla amasiko akhe. Wena ke ulahla imbo yakho ngophoyane. Ndiyathemba kuvakele. Enkosi. Aw, khila omhle.
Mama ngazo zozibeni.
Thank you.
Question yam is that how do you know uba ayinamsebenzi lento?
Yeah, this is
this is my challenge.
because you see it and you think you know msebenzi, but
That's
other
why
people around you, yes. Because in your right mind, also like a gold stone yakho ngento ye-plastic.
Exactly. Pisa ngenkomo zakho zonke for isipili. You understand? But so what I'm trying to get at is, it's tricky because
Uyazelaphi ba yiphoyane le.
yes, maybe this is the answer
We've been praying for.
Maybe this is the answer you've been looking for.
Yes.
And you're just like, no. But also, I think I want to add to that a little bit and say, ezinye izinto, and to what we were speaking about in episode 84, is that ezinye izinto, it's, as like saying in English, easy come, easy go. ezinye izinto we want to change them simply because we're just like, oh, ayandisokolisa le nto.
Don't do sokolisa.
Ne, and it's not necessarily the best thing.
Yeah, for sure.
Into
Kaya
engenamsebenzi
sokolisa.
ka iyasokolisa.
Yeah.
So it's shortcuts. So iphinde ixube nobu-shortcut ke ngoku kumba nangam. Just take the scenic route all the time.
And this is the thing, like, if umuntu wam that bendinaye 3 years, uniphethe kakubi, ngoku ndifuna umlahlela lo mntu umtsha. See, there's perspective also.
Mlahle, sumlahlela umntu. Lahla.
Lahla qha, ngamlahlela
Oh yeah, what
Umuntu
dustbin.
umntu. Okay, my bad.
Yeah. So so I think very much so, and that just goes with hand in hand with like completely interrogating your whole life. Telling you, beggar, when you're turning your whole life upside down and be like, should I use ChatGPT instead of racking my brain for this proposal? I don't know. No.
Your menu I'm meeting in. Oh no.
Yeah, phone timing it. Did you see that lady? There was a lady who used ChatGPT for a prayer. And they were like, either at church or in Ngobeni or something. And then I found the prayer. I did. Let me know if you would like me to change this into a more...
No, she didn't.
Or if it's good to go. Amen. Damn. Poyane. That is the wildest thing that I've seen.
Because then you didn't read that thing. You didn't read it. You never read it
no.
once. You didn't give it a once over at all. You were just like, give me a prayer for a funeral. Yeah, prayer.
Yeah.
Oh, wild times.
Crazy.
Let me know.
Crazy.
Amen.
And the money done, get them money done. But I can see just reading the word. And you probably noticed as soon as she
said the sentence, she was like, oh, I messed up.
Bro.
I would have to leave.
Like Earth.
I'm never going to that church again. I'm never going to associate with any of those people.
It's not worth it. Human error.
No, I was cheating and I busted myself. No ways. No one can trust me with anything after that. Do you think that they're going to give you things to do at church, but you're in charge of this? No. You Googled a prayer. No, thank you. I'm joining a different church, a different denomination.
Oh man,
Satanism. No way, man.
For that. Thank
Yeah, that
you
was nice
so,
and
so
detailed,
much.
yeah.
Absolutely. Sharon Madalane, which is the certificate is so cute. It's cute, the word. Fair. Happy with it. Thanks, Sharon.
That's why I was also like, cute. That's an interesting way to describe a certificate.
Usinokuhle Zwinye uti, love how y'all ask each other how you doing. Wish I had that. Watch episode 84, my darling.
Don't.
Cannot remember when last I was asked that. As we grow, siba lonely, aibo. Cried today on the bus from work. I felt so tired, man. I work so hard and push myself too much. Ingase ndithi give up. Andina choice, the older sibling, and fear of failure in the bambe ngobongwisto. Ngobongwana. Man. Eish, kuhle dog.
That's so tough.
Yeah. It's so tough. And I think it's also, to me, what that says is what it brings to my mind is nyani, man. I think we need to really pay mind to that and how important those tasks are in terms of just asking each other how we are. It's something that's really precious. I think it's a gift that we have, that we can give each other, and just let each other in, man, on life, and that helps us. It's like a building project, right? It's like, I feel like it's like a building project where you're building a house, and the house is my life, and now us asking each other how we're doing, I'm also giving you an opportunity to help me in building this house, which is my life. Yeah, so I think, I like that. I like that so much, man. And that also definitely gives me the sense of saying, but I want it to be something that I'm conscious of as well. Because nyan, siyeke ezinye izinto, because bakhona where I'm like, yo, ayadika ichomi ezabuza, no, how are you?
How are you, Chomi? I'm fine. No. How are you?
How are you?
Leave me alone. Please. Can't do this right now. But also another thing, being the person that you need to other people can be helpful as well.
Come on.
Yeah. It really can.
Love it.
Ukubuza omnye umuntu wena ba. Unjani Chomi?
Ewe. And get sharp, fine. Oh, you're not always going to get the desired result, right? You'll get your right. Unjani wena? Use that as your opportunity to kupala lapha kuwenda ngam.
Chombabu yazi.
Do you know what I mean? But also I think that goes hand in hand with pick your people.
Yeah.
A lot of the time the people that we want to ask us how we are don't. And then we ignore those that ask us how we are.
True. Okanye ngaske ngabuzwa nguwe.
Yeah, understand. So there's definitely a lot to be said around that and in terms of how we do it.
Yeah. It made me a little bit sad that she cried on the bus from work.
Life is a lot, man.
That's crazy, man. But thank you for that. Thank you for writing it. I feel like there's a little bit of relief that comes in saying the thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So thanks for sharing it with us, and also thank you for sharing it and maintaining that this is a safe space.
100%. Hang in there. Keep working hard. It's gonna pay off. It started to pay off. It's gonna continue to pay off. So keep at it, man. Keep at it. Phambili ngewo mjana. Asekho kuthini ngo. Sure.
Uthi untombe na ni Mlinda.
Ntombe nani?
Yes, ntombe nani Mlinda. Mhlambi nemehlo belididizela kubona uba uzobona gift from us.
Lisadidizela nangoku ke ngoku nanzi. Fair. And it's not always ubona umuntu ne?
No, it could be a thing that
Zithini ezando? Zithini? Zinone zimyth? Zinone? Beliefs? Zinone?
I don't know.
Kuthiwa udidizelela leliso uzobona umuntu omgqibele kudala. Udidizelela linyawo uzaya somewhere. Udidizelela sisandla uzofumana igqabi.
Imali for those who don't know.
Yes. I'm just trying to think. What others? I only know those three.
Yeah, me too.
Khawuzelelwa ngamakhwapha. Uyagxoka lo muntu uthetha naye. Khawuzelelisa amakhwapha. Uyagxoka lo muntu.
No. I don't think that's the thing. Yes, ukhawuzelelisa amakhwapha, but not wena. No, bro, don't. Basile.
Flying colors.
Thanks, Ntombinani.
Yeah, no, for sure. Babs.k uti lol.
Babs.
The hosting thing is real. When I was growing up, not many people would come around the house, and the older I got, the more awkward it felt. My only job was to make tea, ndikupe ne biscuits, then vanish. Hayibo Babs, bawungajayiviswa wena. Babs umama wayengazi foni nechomi ke, so there was that. Nako ndichada umntu who is the absolute laugh of the party, loves having people over. It's been such a growth journey in a good way. I no longer have hosting jitters. The more I've done it, I also see what works and what doesn't work. So now I don't even need to think about it much. Even when it comes to in-laws. People, well, most, lol, are so kind and understanding. They just appreciate being invited into your space. Also, Yandi saver, because who has the money to only hang out with friends at restaurants? Big facts. Love that. I love that you also very well aware of what your experience has been growing up.
Yeah.
how that presented
Mm.
and how that was then became a norm for you in your own life. But then ke ngoku also opened up completely to marrying a life of the party, and also not coming in there and saying, "Akaloku andiqhelanga mna le nto," or "Andiyaba yenziwa njani mna." Decreaser, and you being willing to actually learn, or being willing to lean into that side of being able to do it.
100%. I was trying to, when I read this, I was trying to think of how we grew up. And we had people over at the house fairly often. But obviously our jobs as kids was to bring stuff and take stuff away. Or at least my job. Did you ever bring me biscuit net even? That's why
I'd be waiting in the
that's why
I'd be waiting in the kitchen. Ja, when can be tennis biscuit? Why? Man in Khabuli juices every time before the home.
See how different experiences we had growing up in the same house. But we were just to be, we were just there to do the thing, take the thing away, whatever.
Yeah.
But I don't know if the frequency of when it happened ever had any impact on how I feel about it now.
Yeah. I don't know. Like, I find like such a tricky thing. Nguthi, sure, a lot of things that we experience is as a result of childhood age. But then also I think about myself now. I'm turning 40. So in childhood, yeah, almost 20 years. And 18 years under my parents' roof. I've actually been out of my childhood for longer than.
And we're negating new experiences as well.
Exactly.
Yeah, and how they made us feel as the people that we are growing up to be, and not necessarily being influenced by
100%.
what it was like before.
Yes. So I think also in the same breath to say that a lot of things are linked to childhood, but a lot of things are not linked to childhood. They're also linked to adulthood and decisions that you made. And yeah, ngoku xa uyokhangela kwi-childhood ukhangele ekhoyo.
But this is the thing, you never know. Unless you investigate, obviously.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. All that just to say, sometimes I feel like we blame our childhood for more than it. Childhood is also like,
no! Same with Satan. Same thing. Satan's like, me! No way, sir.
That's a Sun City. That is a Durban. Yeah, in July.
Weekend of busy.
Weekend cool. Yeah, long weekend.
Excuse me, did you see that lady who got left by her man?
Nah, Suka, and I don't know what that is.
What is
No,
it?
she's just taking me off.
No,
No, I feel like it was a social media and don't.
So you don't think it was real?
I hate myself because I got sucked in. I'm Facebook. No, can't Facebook. She popped up on my timeline Facebook, and then I went through her timeline. Then I was just like, yes, Taylor. But you're not sure we are
Okay.
No, ndimfuna umuntu osileyo mna kwi-social media.
Omdala also, Zininzi says, my biggest problem is not being able to articulate how I feel. I often feel like my reasons for being upset aren't valid enough for others to care, even though I'm really upset. When asked about the issue, I struggle to express myself clearly. Looking back, I realize I'm overthinking the situation and trying to anticipate the other person's reaction instead of just sharing my perspective and waiting for a response. So, Disamuguti, conflict management is really important.
Yo.
That's a lot of overthinking.
Zininzi, but I love how you completely deconstructed this whole thing.
Because that's exactly what it is.
No, we solve it, Casey.
Yeah.
I love it when sometimes as people we have these things and challenges that we know, then we want to get to the root, but this is probably why I do this. And And sure, we've all got our own reasons, right? But I love looking at something like this that will say, a problem yami le, and this is why the problem, and this is what I need to do for
That's lovely. Absolutely. I mean, I think conflict management or conflict resolution is probably one of the hardest things that humans have to do.
100%.
Purely based on the fact that there's so many things that are involved. There's your feelings, there's my feelings, there's where we are, there's what we're fighting about. There's so many things that come with conflict that if you're an overthinker, you will end up making yourself small in that situation or just trying to get rid of it. Because we think too much about it.
Or solving it.
Yeah. Or solving it.
Yeah, or solving it.
Yeah, but overthinking often doesn't lead to a good place.
Conflict management, we also, I think, at a point need to start to realize that the conflict management starts with
Like conflict because you're already conflicted.
Correct.
So
you already are like, yeah, but if deterred, then I call valid le reason, therefore andikwazi uyithetha seyiqalile inkinga ke ngoku isimoko silapho. So by the time ifika kulo ungaphandle yeah, and I think that's what we often forget.
Yeah, true.
In terms of conflict management, in terms of a lot of things that we go through, even love.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't love someone else more than you love. I don't believe you can love someone else more than you love yourself. How you love other people is dependent on the relationship that you have with yourself.
True.
How you conflict resolute with other people depends on how you conflict resolute with yourself. Because we just never think of how we conflict resolute with ourselves as well.
Abantu ke ngoku balantukayo athi bamthanda umuntu bafuna uzijula, like what's that? Do they love themselves that much?
Is that love?
No, that's not. That's weird.
I tell you.
Okay.
I distance my the opportunities. Itilan disclaimer, man. That's at the beginning of these episodes. Please note that the opinions expressed in this episode by no means are the opinions that are expressed by Sibling Travel as a whole.
Bakona abakulo camp bakona bangekho.
Can we get the next one, please?
So Nelisa, did we read this already?
Yeah, we did read that one. Yeah, so yes. Ukaya kazi makula. Ukaya kazi makula. Only Noah's Ark was diabolical, my good sir.
So many people spoke about that. And you mentioned it once. We commit just number 2 by 2. I was like, when I was reading this, I was like, what were we talking about? Noah's Ark. Noah's Ark was last week. Auntie, no. Noah's Ark is like, zizitya zami ekhabathini.
Indlu yakho Noah's Ark. Izitya zingena 2 by 2 nefolokhwe nemela. Njalo njalo.
Oh, yakeza zukondima. Nangu my toe, favorite yethu sonke. Don't like I stick. Please do not come to my place unannounced. I'll let you stand outside the gate with ubanjwa ngamabhara.
For what? Ngoba usuma kusenzeka ntoni apha phakathi kuendlini. Uphila nje uphila uba mumshana wena.
After 15 to 20 minutes, ezami indaba ziphelile.
That's fine, sancokola.
Ziphele zam. Over an hour, my social battery is on -0. -0. Chill vibes. Akonto. Ngizokugcwalisela apho ushota khona.
Suara. That's what friends are for.
Yeah, I have such a big fear of overstaying also, like me as a visitor.
Vanini, what?
We drank juice, we had biscuits, we had and I feel like that because I don't want people to overstay. So I'm like, oh, okay. Well, ingathi inqoko yabanda ngoku mandihambe. Is there something wrong with that?
Okay, my inqoko iphelile, then sibukele something.
Why are you here? Do you not have a TV at your house?
So
Funa uyibukela
I
nami.
must only come visit you xa ndinendaba.
Anendaba.
Man sit. Hey, it's Springbok. Hey. Ndimane ngoku ndisiya kwi-saved ntonto zam kwi-social media ndithi hey uyikhaya ibona le nto hey ngamvuthini ubani.
Okay, let me ask you something. Have you never felt, wait! Have you never felt that you should leave? Have you never felt
Etshomini yam.
Hey,
Not etshomini yam. Etshomini yam. All of them is like, why do I have to leave? Awunolungiselela kwi-spare bedroom.
uletaphi engafuna ke ashiya phandle ubanjwe ngamabhara. Also, where do you live, man? Why? Go outside your house. Just waiting for your visitors.
Oh, man.
15 to 20 minutes is a short amount of time, but who are your
That's
friends?
nothing. 15 minutes.
We're warming up.
Zisabuza
Asikangeni,
impilo.
exactly.
Oh.
Asikangeni kuba wathini ke ngoku
Shini
chomi.
teaser.
No.
Yeah, I know that's
Yeah.
difficult. You know.
Dry. Have a dry patch.
Ruby, which is something touched me when you all asked each other, how is one doing? Just reminds me it's been a while since I've been asked that. Hey, life gets lonely as you... Dog! That comment is like so similar to that first comment.
Yes, and that's why
Ebe
it's
City
okay.
life gets lonely as you grow up. Yo, guys. So industry is 18, Lena.
I don't know. You know, I was thinking about it also, obviously, and I was like, yeah, it really does. But then I was also like, first I thought, okay, before, a lot of women would have been married by now with kids and no. Doesn't mean they weren't lonely.
Okay.
Just because you have things that you are busy with, it doesn't mean you're not lonely, right? So that was the first, my first excuse for it was like, oh no, kaloku, asisachate ola hlobo. We're also like these independent women who live alone and who don't necessarily have to be part of any community to survive. But then I was like, no, man, loneliness is just a thing. Then I was like, okay, well, the older you get, the less friends you have, just organically. You kind of cut off the fat.
Yeah.
And then you keep, whatever it is that you think is good for you or whatever your reasons are. But you can still be lonely. Like you can have 5 friends and still be lonely.
Okay.
Abantu benga, like this is such a simple thing. How are you doing?
And it's not the fine things in you.
No, of course not.
Correct.
Nobody's asking for that because you get asked that all the time. Baumjan.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
I don't know. Is you can you though?
Can you
Like, let me try to remember. Then for me, it goes down to definition of that actual friendship thing. But 5 friends in known.
Yeah.
Friend in known.
Yeah.
Then that's where the conversation starts for me. Ukuthi. It's a term that's very loosely thrown around.
Yeah.
5 friends yours needs.
Yeah.
In fact.
If zichomeza manyans.
If zichomi zamanyan's needs.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So that's what it speaks to for me. Ukuthi umntu who you can call at 2 in the morning. Ukuthi kusemjani the call. You understand? Like yes, because we've got these walls.
Yeah, we've distanced ourselves.
We've distanced ourselves from people.
Yeah.
And no one feels the right also to ask you about
or the responsibility.
Like it's like we had a sibling date on Saturday after church and that's like what I was thinking about Nam. So I think maybe even brought up by this whole sibling rivalry thing, right? And how you guys view a relationship yam no talita. And I took that and I'm pretty sure it's a comment or something that touched
it.
me. Yeah. Where I was just like, fair, we talk on the show all the time, but injani this relationship at its core? How tangible is it, right? And then we went on a sibling date on Saturday. And I told her, and she laughed at me when I said, "Oh, I felt like such a loser. I'm going to say, do you want to have..." And she's still laughing. I said, "Do you want to go out for lunch on Saturday?" And I told her on Saturday, I felt like such a loser. I didn't really attention or something. I don't know, show me what.
That's so weird.
But what I'm trying to get to is that within that conversation, it was still a matter of me saying to her, Guti, you know, I almost feel like I'm not right into deep about your life because I don't even know you that well. We don't even spend enough time together for me to know how you actually really are. So I will ask you about izinto endizbonayo ezi very superficial. You understand? Uba okay, ndikubona uba wenze into ethile. Okay, into zakho zemali zi-right, ispani, no. But I won't ask you the deep questions because I don't know that much about you because I don't spend that much time with you. So I think also it definitely speaks to what that quality of that relationship is.
Sure. 100%. Because having a relationship is all good and well, but having a relationship that with no qualities does no one any good.
Yeah, no, 100%. So yeah, man. Yeah, I think it's let's really take a close look at our circles and see what's good with it.
For sure.
Yeah.
And now be the person you want to have in your life.
My guy, I love that so much. Ibang lomndu lowo. If we amdika, then it's fine. It's not the one for you.
Yeah.
Ukhona ongazumdika. This is the thing.
Someone is there needing it as well, who's going to appreciate it and who will reciprocate as well.
Sure, big facts.
In It With Tina says, beautiful episode, guys. I always enjoy when there's a mention of Bao. Oh, speaking of the devil, that's so wild.
Nango phone. Nango kamera kelipale. Bao.
Also, you're right. The meaning of life, Yilendo Funa Uyenza.
Come on.
That was such a thoughtful gift. Thank you, Simi. We see you, girl.
Lovely.
The meaning of life, Yilendo Funa Uyenza.
Lovely.
I think we drummed that in.
Yeah.
Enough last time. Everybody got it.
What does life mean? What do you want it to mean? Yes. Beautiful. Aye. Uyiqibile. Akhona poswayo. Ha! I wonder that name.
Utheni?
Ha!
Attention.
It's a big name of a sibling rivalry. It's a big name. Beg every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. Yavela pa kweza.
Oh, really?
Kweza super likes. Akhona. Hayi chonga. Icacile banamakhwenkwe akhona.
The boys.
The last question. Wouldn't the universal answer be what we already do? We're always trying to make sense of things and what they could possibly mean to us as individuals. What was the last question?
The last question was, would you rather the meaning of life or the answer to a universal question? What is that?
Kukalai alarm. But we will pretend like we do not hear it. There we go. Knowing the meaning of life would be having the exact answer of what truly life is. For an example, that we're all here to learn how to love as God loved us. And that being what life means. Where we are not confused about what life is or having individual meanings for it. That, yes, we have individual purposes such as healing, teaching, being artists, etc. But knowing that the main collective meaning of life is to love each other while pursuing our individual purpose. That's how I interpreted the last question.
Okay, I think I get it. Yeah. Because the meaning is the same. It's not the same. Not the meaning.
Not the meaning, child.
The universal answer is, as she says, to love us as God, to love each other as God loved us.
Yeah.
But we can still then pursue different purposes in that.
Absolutely.
In that, and then our meanings slightly differ, but with the core representation
100%.
of that love. Yeah.
100%. Well done. Senqoma ndiyifundile nebhat. Ayiva.
I could hear the way you were reading it.
But yeah, definitely appreciate that. Thank you so much for that. Akona. Was it on another episode?
When what happened?
When we were talking about, yeah, it was on this week's episode. It was fine. I'll talk about it next week. I won't be able to hold it in. Episode personality.
Yeah.
And then you were like, oh, no, what am I? Someone answered that question. But we celebrate. Ungasi.
Wish you had held it in. Uchingasi. I live experiencing something akin to eidetic, which is photographic memory. What I can tell you is, I'll gladly take learning from any experience instantly because I believe my pattern recognition would simply connect the dots for me in situations my mind would see as similar to previous ones. This would in turn decrease the number of unnecessary experiences due to me gaining foresight.
Yeah.
The added bonus is actually gaining experience and knowing what something feels or could feel like, as opposed to only living with itchy speculations, only to never scratch them due to having known too much too early. Oh,
No,
I love the way you write.
Ubangu knows the SARS.
Yeah,
Yes.
for sure. Because without the experience, you then don't know what could go wrong. You feel like you're off.
Correct.
No. And there's also a lot of things that you don't know, but you just know the theory. You don't know the practical.
100%. And Lennon Troy, but to your point, Ngasi, is that ikvimba a lot of things because then your mind makes up a lot of things as well in terms of my eyes about right.
To fill in the gaps, yeah.
Yes. And sometimes sube linke pattern. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot.
So you're changing your answer. You want a photographic memory.
I don't remember what I said.
You said yes, you want a photographic memory.
No, I want to experience. If una klabebuza and that's my spillion. That's what I really want.
Okay, cool, great. All right, last one. Nicholas Goba says, so Bomazizi, ithini into ye-live show yaseKapa. Sendithembise umntu ongusisi bandizohamba naye. So
brother.
so undibuza oko.
Ayini brother.
Ingayimoshi le talking stage. Please. Dingubawo pha.
Oh no. Why am I sad?
No, Chomi. Your relationship is in our hands. Oh, wow. We are not worthy.
Hey, Pranik. Oh man.
Jonga Pranik.
This is my favorite comment the whole year.
Mfly sumsasefe Joburg.
And then?
Okay. Then this is a penny talking stage about relationship.
Okay.
What?
And then?
And then what?
Is that what's the show?
Hey, maloko.
Okay.
But this is the show yet you're elandelayo.
Pranik.
Why are you making promises? No, no one said anything about a date.
Oh man, yeah, Pranik. Hey, Pranik. You know what?
I'm overwhelmed. I'm going to
and the cocky young and I'm going to tell you them. Pranik, you know what? You've just fueled my fire. We need to make Cape Town happen. No back against the condone, guys. What?
Even if it's just for you.
Imagine, Galoguba, this will be our yeah, my relationship here today.
So I left out to Dingbao.
Dingbao, probably. Oh, the pressure, man.
Thanks for that, Nicholas. That was such a cute and honest comment. So bonba sizotini ba ipressure ngoku yanda. Yandiswa nguwe babes.
Correct. But okwalo mzuzu makhali bambe ingachoni mani mkhuluwa yabo. By the time sifika masifike so phakathi inside man brand ngithembile mina yabo.
And so phakamisa. Phakama bakubone.
Oh man, love it. Oh man.
Thanks for that, guys. Thanks for joining us once again on another episode of The Bling Line.
Absolutely.
Ningadinwa ke ukwenza i-comment and yenza comment. And we will try and read as many as we can, but we do appreciate the comments zenu enkosini. Akho show ningekho.
Yes, enkosini kakhulu. Ubukho benu buyi oxygen. Kaphandle kwenu noko mandithi sabe sizizinto eziphefumla nzima. So ke singa noThixo angongeza apho nithatha khona siphinde sibonane ngethuba elizayo. Sithi ke kuni xesha elimnandi.
Bye. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Line.